Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to transfer data from Samsung to Samsung Mobile. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that new videos like this continue to reach you. Let's start your video. As you can see, first of all we have to go to the settings and click on break data old setting, and after that we already have the smart switch downloaded. That's why the direct was opened. Then you in the other mobile, you have to open the smart switch, and after opening it, you will see an interface like this. We will show you, and after that you have to do this. After that what you have to do is that after downloading smart switch, in your mobile you have to do that. You can see showing in mobile, this mobile has smart switch ready for data transfer, and in this mobile you have to go to the settings, and after going to the settings, you can see smart switch. It is written here. If it is not updated, then you have to update it first. Send and turn on the wireless connectivity, and we have to receive what we have in the mobile. We have to receive and SIM in both the Wi-Fi. As you heard, there will be a sound in both, and that sound, they will recognize each other mobile, and in the old mobile you have to give the option of yes. As you can see here, yes option is available, so we have to click on allow. And you can see what is here now. The processing has started, and after a while when it will be 100%, the new phone will give you the option to see everything data. You can see it here. It is giving you the option that you want to copy all the data or call SMS and messages, or you want to do any custom. So we have to do everything, so we have made it next as soon as we can. Next, in the old phone, something will ask us for an option, which we have to do, and as soon as we did it, it asked for the passcode of our old phone. We put the passcode and then look up. The copying of the account has started here. So now as soon as the copying of the account starts, an interface like this will appear in front of you. You have to click keep in display on, then as soon as it reaches 100%, your data will be transferred.